Hello, it's week 11 and we're in the home stretch. The question for this week's discussion board is, what does the fact that Osama bin Laden was found living in Pakistan say about the nature of our relationship with them? Should we trust them? Why or why not? Honestly, it was shocking to me that Osama bin Laden was found living in Pakistan, especially less than 1 mile from the Pakistan Military Academy, an institution similar to our West Point. I find it difficult to believe that they didn't know who was living in that mansion compound, and where was the ISI with their all-knowing, all-seeing spies? How could they possibly have missed this? I think what it says about our relationship is that we can't take anything for granted. It is a relationship that the Pakistani government says is one thing to its citizens and seems to say something different to our government and military. We can work with them while it is advantageous to us, but we should not take any promises or information at face value. I don't think they have earned our trust. The ISI reminds me of stories of the KGB. And within Pakistan, who is really in charge? The president, the prime minister, the military, the ISI, the Taliban? Whoever it is today, it could easily be someone else tomorrow. The saying goes, keep your friends close and your enemies closer. In either case, we need to keep Pakistan close. Thanks, everyone. See you next week.